Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to see some new features in Jainam Software. So just have a look. So from the master setup, I will go to the setting. So here you can see I have added some setting like customer customize account number logic. So here I have added company code, branch code, this setting value. So how it will work, just have a look. So master setup company, I will go and select the current company. So here you can see this is 12 means the company code. I have mentioned here 12 and I have just updated from the below option. Just click to the update. Now so let's go to the master setup branch hierarchy. So here you can see I have added some coding for the branch. For let's say Goa, here I have added code is 2000. Then for Maharashtra I have added for Maharashtra I have added 0222. So you can, I will just edit this and let's keep Maharashtra MH12 and just click to OK. So all this I have created and we can save this code. Now so branch code, company code is set. Now we can create one customer from here. Let's go and create one customer. So we need to select the group. So for example, let's say Mumbai. So here we need to say select all the details and write down the details, and we can save this form. So you can fill up all the details of the customer, reference, location. So here in location we can mention the state code as well. So let's say state code is 12. We can mention country, India. So after all this information, one by one we can just save this customer here. So here you can see file number 36 is created. Here you can see file number 36 is created. Now from the search bar, let's search the customer F-36. F-36. So here you can see automatically this code is coming. This all code. This is logic given by software. So the barcode, the branch code, if I go to the master setup setting, that is company code, branch code, the account number, date format and time format. All this coming automatically by the system. So I will search this loan customer again, F-36. So here you can see this all is coming automatically. So this type this logic is work, and so we can have a look while creating loan as well. So let's create one loan for this customer F-36. So I will click to loan and let's create one small loan of 5,000 and disbursed by cash. Just calculate and save. So loan number 41 is created. Now let's search this loan from the search bar. So here also you can see this loan code is coming, that is by logical setting by software. So this type it will work. So thank you friends for watching this video, and don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a great day.